Hi, welcome to Go Science Classroom Series. Today we are going to see the demonstration of a 2-in-1 wind turbine generator and a motorized fan and house light kit model. So let us see what we have in the project. We have a base sheet. We have a green grass mat connected to the base sheet. We have a house model. We have a white LED light which is integrated with a 220 ohm resistor. We have a wooden block which is connected with a 4.5 volt DC motor, and when this kit comes, this kit will come to you like this. So we will have to take the wooden block, match the holes and fix it on the bed sheet like this. So once you fix it, the wooden block will stand firm on the bed sheet. And what we learn in this project is we learn two things. One, the windmill generator mode. We learn about conversion of a mechanical to electric energy conversion. And second, in a motorized electric fan and lighting mode, we learn about electrical to mechanical plus luminous energy conversion. Alright, now let us see the demonstration of this project. To demonstrate a light and a fan model, we are going to use a 9 volt battery. So the name of this project is Motorized House Light Kit. So this is what we are going to see for now, and then we'll see the demonstration of the windmill model. So we have a snap connector. This is called snap connector. We are going to connect it with a 9 volt battery. When you connect, please make sure your hands and fingers are away from the propellers so you don't get the hit. So as you could see, I have connected the 9 volt battery, and you could see the demonstration of a light and fan working through a 9 volt battery. So this is how it looks in a bright light, and this is how it looks when it is dark. Alright. Now let us remove the battery. When you remove the battery, again you make sure you don't get your hands close to the propeller. Once you remove the battery, please wait till the motor stops. After the motor stops, remove the battery from the base sheet. And now, before we see the demonstration of a windmill model, I would like to inform that this model is an educational proof of concept model. It is designed in such a way that when you demonstrate the windmill concept in your school, just in case if you do not find a high powered fan, then for mimicking this windmill concept, you could use a battery and explain the concept of how the windmill works. If you have a high speed fan, then I'll teach you how we could see the demonstration of windmill model without connecting a battery. And this concept is designed just to demonstrate the energy conversion principles at a proof of concept level. In commercial wind power networks, it utilizes complex alternators, power transformers and charge controllers. And when demonstrating passive windmill mode without a battery, a sufficiently high speed external fan is required to spin the motor at adequate RPM to illuminate the LED light. Just for your safety, please keep your hands, hair and clothing clear of the spinning propeller. Do not short circuit the battery wires. Disconnect the battery when it is not in use. Now let us see the demonstration of the windmill model. Okay, now you could see I have taken the model near a fan. I am going to switch it on now. Now you could see the high speed fan rotates and the propeller is also rotating and the LED light is glowing, and you could see I have not connected the battery. I'll just show you the wire. The battery is not connected. I'm just placing it directly near the fan. You could move the angle little front and back. So based on that, the brightness of the LED will vary. So this is how you see the demonstration of a wind turbine power generator without a battery. Yeah. Now I'd like to share a few more points. Let us come back to the motorized battery and fan concept. We are back to the main screen. So let me explain you how this passive windmill generator mode works. The spinning propeller drives the DC motor as a generator via electromagnetic induction, outputting power directly through the 22 ohm resistor to glow the white LED light mounted on the miniature house model. Similarly, for active electric fan and lighting mode, we are connecting the battery which supplies the electric power to the circuit, which simultaneously spins the DC motor, operating the propeller as an electric fan, and turns on the white LED light over the house model. So these are two separate experiments which you could do using one single kit. Thank you for watching.